How to make a custom mini desk calendar with Cricut. Step 1. If you have a design to use, open Cricut Design Space, go to Upload and upload the design. Step 2. Select Complex as the image type and click Continue. Step 3. Click Apply and Continue, select Print, then Cut Image and click Upload. Step 4. Repeat the same steps to upload all the designs. Step 5. Once you have all the months uploaded, select All and click Add to Canvas. Step 6. Once all the design loads into the canvas, add elements to the design if you wish to. Step 7. When you're ready, click Make and reposition the design to fit 2 calendars on the first mat. Step 8. Now go to the second mat, click the 3 dots on the top left side, then select Move Object. Step 9. Select the first mat and click Confirm, then rotate and position the design so it fits. Step 10. Repeat the same steps and arrange the rest of the calendars. Step 11. Once you have all the mats ready, click Continue and click Send to Printer. Step 12. In the Print Setup window, toggle off Add Bleed toggle on Use System dialog and click Print. Step 13. In the new Print window, click Preferences, select the paper type and set the quality. Step 14. Once done, click OK, then click Print. Step 15. Once the calendars are printed, place it on the mat loaded in and start cutting. Step 16. Once the first cut is done, before unloading, check and see if it's cut thoroughly. Unload the mat, flip it upside down and release the calendar. Step 17. Go ahead and cut the rest of the calendars. Step 18. Once everything is done cutting, stack the calendar and place them on the desk. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.